Today is a good day because I have my bike on the stand and we're gonna put new fairings on. Sweet. Alright, let's open it up. Put it all out on the table so I can kind of see what the parts look like. So you can see it's all matte black. I could use a wipe down for sure. And I'll have to get some like special matte spray or like cleaning, for the matte finish. But anyway, this is all of it. Like the little parts, they're still in the box here. But yeah, so I'm going to, this is pretty much what it all came with. Parts. This, I don't know how to use this, but I'll look it up on YouTube and figure out which piece. I'll look it up on YouTube to see where this goes. I believe it goes like inside of the fairing, but I'm not sure which one yet. So, all right, now I'm gonna start taking it apart. This will probably take me a couple hours till it's all done. So let's get to it. Jesus. Hey guys, so this is what the bike looks like now with the new fairings on, and it took probably like 2-3 days to get it installed because I was waiting for the bolts and the fairing kit to come in, which unfortunately didn't come with the fairings, so that sucked. But finally got it installed. The matte black looks really good. The hardest part though was trying to get the tail off, install this part, and also trying to install back the back headlight there. So, but managed to do it. As you can see here, this part, the gas tank cover, it doesn't fit flush all the way like my old fairing does. So what I think I'm going to do, because you can see that gap there, is take this off, reinstall the old tank cover, and then I ordered vinyl wrap, matte black vinyl wrap. So I'm gonna try to just wrap it myself, the tank, the gas tank, and that would be a cool little side hobby, learning how to wrap a car or a motorcycle. I'd be interested in learning. So yeah, as you can see right here, this gap, it just doesn't fit flush all the way. I'm gonna take this thing off right now and take off the rubber grommets and everything and install it back onto the old one, which is here somewhere. But anyway, let's get to it. I replaced the little grommets that was in the black tank cover, put it into the old one. So it's pretty hard, but it's hard, but I was able to do it. Just gotta get like a little Phillips head and push the rivets into the hole there. You probably can't even see it, but yeah, you got 1, 2, and 3 here. Alright, so now we're gonna install it back on. I actually ended up fixing the problem, so I took this whole thing off, put the rubber grommets on the old fairings, and when I went to install it, I noticed I was sitting up flush against it, but I figured out why. So I was like, oh, okay. So then I'll replace the grommets from the old one, put it back on this one, see if it works. And sure enough, it's flushed. As you can see before, it wasn't, so I thought, oh, like, didn't fit. But I figured it out, so now it's flushed. So I ordered some matte black vinyl that should be coming in tomorrow. So I'm gonna take this part off and then take the seat off and then figure out how to wrap just the tank. And then yeah, the whole bike will be matte black.
So I've not ridden my bike in like, I don't know, a week and a half. I dropped my bike on the right side and the right foot peg snapped and it was only like a little snug. So I had to order a new foot peg to come in. So yeah, the foot peg finally came in, I installed it, and I'm going to the gym tonight before they close. So I had a little dumb moment. I turned on the bike and I realized my lights weren't working. The low beam and the high beam, so I was like, what the hell? And I remembered that I had unplugged the lights to install the side of the fairing for some reason, and then I forgot to plug it back in. So that took me a minute to find the right Allen head, and I was like, oh god. So now that took up some time, for me to go to the gym. The low beam light is not working for some reason. The high beam is, so I'm just gonna have to use my high beam. Sorry, everyone else, but gotta do what you gotta do. Just my mirrors. Yeah. And then, yeah, we're gonna go to the gym, hit legs today. Probably a bad idea. I'm on a motorcycle. I'm gonna hit legs, but we're gonna do it. I asked the guy on Instagram how much he'd be willing to charge. This guy said he charged me $600 to wrap just the gas tank. I said, what? That's crazy. So I asked another guy on Instagram how much he would charge, and he gave me a better price. He quoted me 200 or 250 or something like that. I was like, oh yeah, I can totally afford that. But then I decided, you know what, I installed the bearings on myself, I work on the bike myself. I think it'd be really cool to learn how to, wrap my own bike. Oh look. Oh shit. Look at some guys. What's up, guys? Anyway, I'm going to the gym. They're going that way. So yeah, I want to learn how to wrap the bike myself. And like that'd be a really cool hobby to have, and maybe even a side hustle. Hell yeah. Neutral. Alright guys, we're here at the gym. Let's go ahead and get this workout in.
Fingers stained with blood, been grasping all day, losing my touch with reality, driving all day, searching all night, can't seem to focus this double sight. This is a tale sworn in a sight, finding my way back to life.
one specific frequency.
Alright guys, just got done with my leg workout. We did squats, heavy, and then leg extensions, and then we did leg curls, and that's about it. 3 sets of leg extensions, 3 sets of leg curls. That's it. Now we're gonna get going. My legs feel a little jelly. I'm afraid that my calf is gonna cramp up once I get into position, but anyway, man, look at this, dude. Look at this bike, man. It looks so sick. I don't know how great the lighting is in the video, but dude, all matte black. Looks sick, and the car next to me is all blacked out too. So yeah, so I need to vinyl wrap this, all matte black too. Dude, this just looks so sick. Alright. Oh, so I am craving a Gatorade. I'm gonna go look for one. Or let's back it up. And then I see the security guard. I don't know what the fuck this guy's doing. Oh. Yeah, I'm craving a Gatorade, so I'm gonna go look for one. Well, I think my light's working. Oh, great, okay. Yeah, that low beam light is weird. It just randomly work.
just want a Gatorade. A Powerade? I want a Gatorade. It's a Gatorade Zero. Cool Blue. Oh, it's got hella sugar in it. I don't think this one has 12 grams. Yeah, we'll get this one. Alright, I'm gonna turn you off real quick. Got the drink. Gatorade Zero. God damn, that looks nice. That looks fucking nice. So I'm making let me put this somewhere. Right there. And then we'll go somewhere. Lots of lighting. Or something, I don't know. Man, there was a lot of bikers out earlier today. Oh, fuck. Oh. Alright, yeah, there's hella people over here on my left. That's alright. We're gonna take some videos, some pictures. This bad boy. My hands are sweaty. Alright, let's get out of here. I want to go home and go to sleep. It's been a long day. Right. Oh, don't tell me they're fucking coming. I'm definitely gonna keep the red accent. Like the wheels are red, so I'm gonna do something with that. Keep this red, maybe get new handles. I don't know, we'll see. But I'm definitely gonna do something like that. Oh, kind of want to go somewhere where I can be alone. I'm gonna turn this off real quick. Alright guys, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you in the next one.